discernment. Of course, there's going to be language barriers because we do work with global clientele, right? International clients. So there might be language barriers and things, but if you exercise a little bit of patience and ask clarifying questions and treat everybody professionally and politely, that will take you so much further. And in Dylan's case, will earn you not only repeat business, but referrals as well. Because if they're happy with the end result and the way that they were treated or the way that they feel that they were treated, they're going to happily refer you to their friends. I wouldn't refer somebody to a friend or family member if I didn't think they were going to be taken care of. Yeah, they might get a great product, but were they treated like garbage in the process? I definitely wouldn't want to share that name with my friends or family, right? So polite, professional at all times. And that will take you far.